Hi, my name is Tatiana, and I am going to show you how to do the bow. First, it's kind of like the cat's whiskers. Go like this, and twirl this one, and go like this. For this hand, this one, get in. And this hand, which has this string on the wrist, that side, you go like this. And then you take off this part, which was on here, and it's gone. Put it on, and it's kind of like cats. For this cat's one, you take these two ones. Look, in front of me, there is two strings, and I'm gonna go like this. Then it is a bow. You can style yourself. Bye.